right here. That one. And that one. And that
Hey, Jamie, where's the Luigi?
one. And that one. I don't care about Luigi. Just give me the scissors.
Here are the scissors, Jamie. Jamie, are you on the Goomba? I'm
No.
gonna jump here.
Mario, I'm not a Goomba. I'm a person.
All right, Jamie. I'm hungry. I want to eat that mushroom.
There are mushrooms in the kitchen. Well,
Well, it says we should have started with the number one. Can you open the number one, Jamie?
okay. Okay, Mario. Let's open it.
Let me move it for you.
Episode 1.
You're a nice Goomba, Jamie.
I'm not a Goomba. I'm a person.
Where's the Luigi?
I don't care about Luigi.
He's a picture there. She's my girlfriend.
I don't care. That's your hat, Mario.
That's my head.
That's more Lego. That's too small.
Okay, well,
Let's open a smaller box.
what's in the box, Jamie?
I hope it's you, Mario.
It's a me, Mario. And we have to put in the battery in.
You know, the batteries.
Here you go, Jamie. 1, 2.
Yeah, okay.
Let me help you.
Okay,
We need
Mario.
a screwdriver.
A screwdriver.
Here we go. Think that's too big. Now we're gonna move. Here we go. Okay, it's open. Come on, little Jamie.
Okay. I'm trying, Mario.
Okay, let's put it back in the screw. Hey, you Jamie, you gotta get the application.
Okay. And now we have to wait for download. Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Don't hate me. All right, I'm going to get you, Mr. Goomba. Look, it's a me.
Oh, you're bold, Mario.
I'm not the board.
See, you're bold
It's just my
now
hairline.
because you're bold.
I'm not the board, Jamie. Look, it's a me. Okay, let's try the number 1, please.
Okay.
Try it, Jamie. Walk me. Try on here. A green. A red. A blue. Let's make a Goomba.
Yeah.
I don't like the Goomba, Jamie.
Okay. I'm not a Goomba.
But you're making a Goomba. A Goomba tower.
I'm not making a Goomba tower. And the Goomba face.
Face. Alright. I'm gonna... Maybe Mario gonna squash him.
Okay. I need this one.
Ready now, Jamie.
And these 2 pieces right here. Thank you.
You're doing a great job, Jamie.
Thank you, Mario. Oh, for God's sake, Mom. Oh, for God's sake.
It's a mamma mia.
And the back.
It's the back. It's the butt of the Goomba. Let me get him. Let's try again. Try under here, Jamie. And flip him over. Jump. knob. It's them apart.
And that one.
Alright, again.
And that one. There. And place a warp pipe. And the warp pipe was complete.
Hey, put the mini-me in the water pipe.
That's it.
Alright.
Shut up, Mario.
What?
I'm making.
It's a baby chicken.
Mario!
It's my show, Jamie. This is the Mario show.
This
Mario Cross.
This is my show! Still, get out of my way, Mario!
Alright, I'm gonna go. I need to go to the toilet.
Okay, guys, I made the pot, so let's make a course.
Let's go.
Okay, I made a course, and let's play.
Let's play.
Thank you for watching, boys and girls. See you next time. Bye.